Hey guys, so okay, there we go. So it is Tuesday, the 9th of November, and I'm here for another live. I missed last week. I just saw a whole lot of squirrels, and by the time I looked up, it was like 4 o'clock, and I had missed it. And today I'm only about 3 minutes late, but I'm here. Uh, Today I don't have a typical uh, topic, like I do most often. Is I'll take a question from someone and ask them, or try to answer, uh, a criminal question. Today, I was going to do it a little bit different. I was just going to talk about our office and, what it is that we do and who I have. And it was kind of brought on by uh, someone asking me the question, well, why you? Why should I hire you? And, that's a legitimate question. Uh, and like I've always said, I think that when you're going to hire an attorney, you should go sit down with that attorney, uh, talk one on one, and, see if it seems like a good fit. And so I just wanted to talk a little bit about our operation and how we do things here at Mark Diaz and Associates. So, first, and I've said this before, and it's something that is important to me at least. Uh, Not all attorneys who practice criminal defense have an office. Uh, there are plenty of what I call trunk lawyers, which means their office is the trunk of their car, and it's not to say any of them are bad lawyers or good lawyers. It's just what it is. Uh, for me, I don't think that would sit well with me. I want to be able to sit down in an office and go over evidence, view videos, and whatnot, which kind of brought on another thing. Recently, someone was in here talking to me about their case and potentially wanting to hire me for a newer case. And they had recently had a case and had a good lawyer. And I was asking questions about the previous case, specifically about what should have been some video evidence in that case. And they said, well, we never got to see the video. And I was confused. What do you mean you didn't get to see the video? And they said, well, he doesn't have an office here, and we were never able to go to Houston to see the video evidence. And that was just kind of, it bothered me, I guess you could say, because obviously, as an accused, you want to be able to see the evidence against you and, you know, go over the evidence and evaluate the case with your lawyer to determine what the best course forward is. So, yes, I have an office. Most of you know my building. It's the blue building across the street from the courthouse in Galveston. So when you walk in, we have Karina, who's our receptionist. You probably already know I have two other lawyers in here. I have Jessica Ebbs and I have Thomas Overhouse. Of course, me. I have my office manager, Shaylee. And then we have a new position that we've created, and that's Melissa. And she has two basic functions. One is she reviews evidence for us to give us reports so that tell us what we need to pay attention to and what we don't. The other thing that she does is the very thing I was just discussing, which is if you are a client and you need to view the evidence in your case, which sometimes can be a lot. because we have cases where you have up to 5 or more officers responding to a scene, and they all have body cams. Uh, and it's important to watch all of that. So if you are in that situation and you come here, you'll set an appointment, and Melissa will set you up in the conference room and go through all your evidence with you. And then, of course, if you have questions, you can meet with one of us afterwards after you viewed it, because you might want to discuss it, right? So, I guess all I'm trying to say is here, all you get is we try to be as full service as possible. I don't know if I've said this before, but we have management software that allows you to log in and see information about your case. We can publish documents to you sometimes in there. You have the ability to upload documents to us. If you think that there's something important that we need to consider in your case, you can text us through there. You can email us through our software. We try to make communication a priority and make sure that anything you need, we're here to try and answer or help you get through. And so, like I said, this gentleman was asking me, why me? Why should he hire me? And all I can tell you is we try to do the best that we can for all our clients. We're always here. If I'm not in trial, I'm here in the office. We have plenty of people that just walk in and want to see us, and of course we're happy to do it. So my answer to him was just, all I can tell you is my entire team is going to do all we can for you, and you'll never have any questions about where we are or what we're doing, because you can either log into our system and see it for yourself, or obviously you can come here and ask questions, go through evidence. Anything you need to know about your case, we're going to make available to you, because obviously that's a priority. I may look at a video and need to give you my interpretation of what a jury is going to see, because some people look at a video of themselves and see what they want to see, so to speak. Whereas I've been trying cases to juries for so long, I can go through it and tell you what the prosecution is going to point out about the video, and then what the jury's perspective may be. If we're in a situation like that, obviously you and I need to sit down and discuss that so that you can have a better understanding, because depending on what the evidence is going to depend on whether my recommendation is that we go to trial, or whether that my recommendation is that we take a plea. And all of that, before you can make that decision, you need to have all of the information so that you can go through the analysis with me and understand what you're doing. So that's pretty much all I had for today. Just a quick little recap of what we do here at the office. If anyone has any questions, like always, just email me during the week or make a comment. I see Mom's watching me. So again, that's all I have. I hope y'all have a good rest of your week, and if everything goes good, I will see y'all next Tuesday. Thanks a lot. Y'all have a good week.